Today I had to do some renovation, changing the old light fixture to a new one. And I also renovation the bathtub countertop to a granite or marble. So it's, as you know that granite and marble, if you stand on it, it's gonna break. Yeah. That's why you have to change the light fixture first, and then when they install the marble or granite, we safe. That's the old light fixture. I will change to a new one. You will see the new one is nice and bright. The lights, the LED lights, ហ្នឹងហើយបងប្អូនហ្នឹងហើយខ្ញុំត្រូវតែដូរភ្លើងចាស់ទៅភ្លើងថ្មីហ្នឹងហើយភ្លើងវា LED light ហ្នឹងហើយនេះជា countertop អានេះ countertop ចាស់ឈើកាលណាយើងដូរទៅ countertop តុថ្មថ្មីហ្នឹងវាកាលណាយើងឈរទៅវាអាចបាក់អញ្ចឹងយើងសំខាន់ណាយើងត្រូវការដូរភ្លើងនឹងមុនណាហ្នឹងហើយបន្ទាប់មកគេនឹងដូរcountertop ថ្ងៃសៅរ៍នេះហើយនៅខ្ញុំកំពុងការធ្វើដាក់ frame កញ្ចក់ហ្នឹងណាដាក់ស៊ុំកញ្ចក់ហ្នឹងមើលទៅវាស្អាតវាត្រូវជាមួយនឹង countertop ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើទៀត Yes, I gonna do the frame on the mirror too. After renovation, it will be look nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna start take off the old lights and then install a new one. That's my new fixture lights. That's the LED light. It's nice and soft, bright white, beautiful. I bought from Costco. They're on sale. ហ្នឹងហើយនេះជាអំពូលភ្លើងថ្មីវាប្រើអំពូលនឹងវាពណ៌សហើយនឹងភ្លឺល្អហើយវា This is after install a new light. See how beautiful it is. Nice and bright, soft. It's a lot better than the old light. This is LED light, and below watt it's only 22 watt. So it's very save energy saving. នេះហើយជាលទ្ធផលបន្ទាប់ពីយើងតភ្លើងដូរចាស់ណាមកថ្មីវិញវាភ្លឺល្អហើយស៊ីភ្លើងតិចទៀតណានឹងបង្ហាញភ្លើងមួយទៀតដែលតរួចហើយនៅ master bedroom វាអំពូលថ្មីដែរប៉ុន្តែម៉ូដថ្មី I'm gonna show you the other one on the master bedroom that I finished installing and a new different one but a nice and bright too. It looks beautiful. All right, see you. So the picture is nice. Now I'm gonna do the frame on the mirror, and then tomorrow they come to install granite. That's why I had to finish the fixture first, though I don't want to stand on it. It will break. ហ្នឹងហើយបងប្អូនឃើញទេហ្នឹងហើយឥឡូវនេះលទ្ធផលវាហើយមើលទៅស្អាតទេ នឹងហើយផងហើយនឹងស្អែកខ្ញុំនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមបន្ទាប់ពីគេដាក់granite ហើយណាទុកថ្មហើយហ្នឹងខ្ញុំនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមដាក់ទៅយកដាក់បាក់ទឹកណាហ្នឹងហើយនឹងទៅយកតយកវាចុះទៅក្រោមខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញបងប្អូនរបៀបធ្វើទៀត Yeah, tomorrow they're gonna come to install the new granite countertop. Then I will do the faucet and plumbing. Okay guys, if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.